Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check True Tone on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. On this page, look for the True Tone option. If the switch is turned on, True Tone is currently active. If it's off, just tap the toggle to turn it on. Next, swipe down to the Control Center and tap on Light Meter here. From here, at the bottom right, you can see True Tone is on, or I can toggle that back off or on. Keep in mind, if you do have an inauthentic, basically a third-party display that is not an authentic Apple display, a lot of times this is a good way to identify whether it's a true Apple display or not, because if it's not, it will not have that True Tone feature built into the display there, so you can always toggle it on or off directly in that control. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.